What's this one? That's a BMW by the looks of it.
Futuristic scooter.
You know what's interesting? When I first look at that, I don't know if I want to call it a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Or like a moped or a scooter, or it's definitely a motorcycle.
It looks more like a motorcycle to me.
To me.
Oh, actually, when you're not on it.
Now
it looks more like a...
It's more moped. It's called the BMW CEO4. Powerful and energetic. It looks futuristic. It must be electric, I'm guessing.
Yes.
So it's electric, which is fantastic. He unplugs it. Look at him go, future man. He might even fit into one of those animes you guys were talking about.
Yes. It looks very cyberpunk.
There was such a huge anime conversation before we started shooting today.
No, this could be me. I like this.
That could be you?
This could be me, yeah.
What are you talking about? You can't have that on your commute.
No, I mean, okay, not from where I live, but if I had to get a motorcycle or a moped, if I was in the market for it, this is intriguing to me.
Stop it.
Yeah, this looks really cool.
That's you, Mo?
This is me, man.
This is who you were meant to be? The BMW CE4 guy? Is that you in the commercial?
Yeah. I actually shot it.
No, can you guys guess the price?
I like it too.
Oh, it might not be me all of a sudden.
He bails. I like it. I think it looks really cool. Obviously, it's exciting. Everything's getting electrified. And of course, these type of vehicles got to get electrified too. It can't just be these cars and stuff. Everyone's got to get in on the fun. You know what it looks like to me?
It might be great for like Uber drivers.
For
like in the city?
Uber food, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not called Uber food.
Uber Eats.
And our sponsor is DoorDash, which is my delivery service of choice.
Oh, okay.
So don't even try that.
How rude of me.
So let's see. 81 miles of range. Top speed is 75 miles per hour.
It's okay for that.
It'll be available in 2022 for $16,000. 16,000.
Mo, is it still you?
Is that worth it?
Is it still you?
What do you think?
What did you say the top speed was?
75 miles per hour.
I have no idea what that translates to. What does that translate to?
I don't know. It's like over 100 kilometers.
Oh, so actually very usable.
Is it still you, Mo?
This still might be me.
It's still Mo, ladies and gentlemen. It's a new segment on the show. Mo, is it still you? I think it's cool. I'm curious about the plug-in. Is it the same as the electric cars? Is it a separate type of plug-in? Obviously, the battery's much smaller. Do you just plug it into a regular household outlet? And is that good enough overnight? Maybe. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here we go. It can quick charge after being completely drained in 1 hour and 40 minutes with a level 3 power connection. Even without the fancy charging setup, it can juice up in 4 hours and 20 minutes with a household socket. So that's the benefit over an electric car is, people in the urban environments, they may not have constant access to the bigger charger or the parking spot even.
Right, yeah.
And now you can come off the household outlet and charge it up every night, basically, to full and get your range back. It looks cool. You know what I just realized? Pictures. I just realized when you show me this image again, it looks like a Sea-Doo with tires.
Because it's long?
Yeah, the way that seat layout is. And because I was riding a Sea-Doo the other day.
That's probably the reason. Yeah.
And so I just got Sea-Doos on my mind.